Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a brilliant weekend. Today, this is the freebie. I must admit, it's one of the favorite I have designed so far. And this page here has been designed from a brand new kit, which is available on the website, literally fresh from the press, literally uploaded last night. It's called Watercolor Pinks. Why I call it Watercolor Pinks, I'm not really sure, but let me guess why. Because it's full of watercolor and the color of pinks. Not jokes apart, the inspiration about this mini kit, there's only 4 pages, was I wanted to create something that had a little bit of music, a little bit of vintage, but also a lot of pink and a lot of butterflies. I love 2 things. I love butterfly and I love flowers. So this kit is kind of combined my passions. So just going to give you a quick flick through my mini kit. As I said, it's only 4 pages, £1.75p. Very cheap. And yeah, it's got a lot of bit of lavender here. It's it's just a very vintage floral kit. I really enjoy making, and yeah, I hope you guys like it too. So this is the page that you get today. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, so I will meeting you all on my Facebook group where you can download all the goodies that I have shared in the past. I'm going to go guys, have a wonderful weekend. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really support with my journey here on YouTube, and interactions that you guys with me have with me guys, much appreciated. So before you go, I really, as I said, really appreciate if you can leave a little thumbs up. Have a wonderful weekend, whatever the plans are. I'm working this weekend, but never mind, I will be off the following one. I do work on opposite weekends, but have a wonderful time, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.